yeah, Papergang unboxing for October.
And sadly, Hattie is not here with us because she could not be bothered.
No, so it's just me and Minnie. Me and Minnie Moo Moo. So this month looks like dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
And on the back there's a little make a Triceratops.
Oh yeah, because
Me Bob.
we saw it last month and I told you had to get this month's one because I love dinosaurs.
Yeah, so nice, quite nice, isn't it? It's by Oh Dear.
Oh dear.
Okay, I took the tape off already to make this video a bit quicker, so there we are. Right, so when you open the box you get
Paper.
we've got dark blue paper today.
Design stationery.
And then it says get sharing on the bottom. And on the top, just covering Molly's face, it says how it works. So it says they get an idea, they get somebody to design everything, put it onto all the stationery, and then they send it out and they do it every month. And then it says they do tree aid, so for every 4 boxes that they make, one tree will be planted in association with the tree aid. So that's quite good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
For every 4 boxes they plant a tree. Right, then we open the tissue paper, and this is what we got. It's very pink this month.
I like dinosaurs. It's a dinosaur and he's eating pizza.
Eating pizza? Oh yeah, he is.
Wait, is that a coaster? If it is, can I have it?
So, is it? Oh no, he's breathing fire, isn't he? It looks like he's eating pizza. So there's this pin, which does look like he's eating pizza. Like you can see that. Hopefully this video will go better than last month. Because last month the voice did not match and it was all glitchy and everything. So, right, Minnie, do you want a little booklet?
Booklet. The little pin is £5.95.
£5.95 for that one. And then we've got a cork back coaster with dinosaurs.
£2.95.
Oh, that's
Can I
quite
have
good.
that coaster? I'll lose it. Yeah, you keep it. It's a pretty coaster and
It's
it's covered
pretty.
in, it's smothered in donuts.
And then there's this birthday card. It says go wild on your birthday. Blank inside.
£2.50.
£2.50. And then this isn't included. This is just a free thing you get every month for the next month. This is December though. It's like 2 months
They
ahead.
probably give you a month's one throughout the year. I'm sorry. They probably give you a different one throughout the year.
Yeah, so this is December's one.
It probably all makes up this little thingy.
Well, probably when you put it on the
thingy.
thing. And we got this, which is, what is it? Oh, wrapping paper, is it?
Oh yeah. Gift wrap is £1.75.
Oh, that's quite good. Oh, the designer this month is Beth Tibbles. Beth Tibbles.
So cute.
Okay, and then we got, oh, this is the last item. Desk
pad.
This is quite good.
£7.95.
It's quite good. It's got a place for notes and a place for to-do lists, doodles, my week. It's quite good, isn't it? That's sort of something you like, isn't it, like that? Like it, man?
Yeah, doodles. They've got a doodle section. That is what everybody needs. It's a section for doodles.
Its legs are awfully long.
They should put sections for doodles in.
And that
school
dinosaur's
books.
legs. They look a bit long.
They should have doodle sections in school books.
That's everything in the
I'd say
box. I wonder how much. You got your phone to work out how much it all comes to or not?
Yeah.
Now this says it's box number 32. You also get this little booklet inside, which is Papergang booklet. And it says your winner. Okay, this is so. It says at the start of 2018, we had a competition to design your own Papergang box. With well over 2,000 entries, you guys did just that, and it was so hard to narrow them down to just one lucky winner. So it looks like this one here was the winner of that competition.
Calculator.
We talked to Beth about her competition win, yeah. So there's someone that gets the box, designs that. Good, isn't it? And then it's got a little part that tells you all about the person that designed the box. So last month we had one about, yeah, I don't remember on it last time. Highly commended. So that was some of the other ones that were in it that didn't win, but they were highly commended. That one looks quite cool, don't I? I think I would like that one. That one looks good. What else has it got in here? Have a go at designing your own stationery. Share your tips. You can do that. Tree aid. Got about the tree aid in there. Yeah. And That's about it. And then it's got a referral. So this box cost £10, which isn't too bad. We like a bit of stationery, don't we, Min?
Mhm.
You got a calculator ready?
Almost.
Just texting.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the coaster, which was £2.95. All these are made in the UK as well, which is good. That's a 2.6, that says. 2.95.
9. But yeah, I went to press the 9. I actually had to press the 6. Beneath.
Then we got the pin, which was a £5.95.
That pin is so cute.
We've got the
Can I
card.
pin that to my school bag?
I don't know. We got the card, was £2.50. I've got some Harry Potter pins in mine as well.
Oh.
Well, obviously there's no price for that one because that's like a freebie. The wrapping paper was £1.75. And then the doodly notepad, desk pad thingy bob was £7.95.
Oh my god, I put £77.95 minus 70.
77. She's not on the ball today.
Wait, should I put minus 70? Yeah.
She's not on the ball today.
Minus 70. Add 0. I accidentally put an add sign. Okay. That looks more like it. Drum roll. Equals £21 and 10 penny winkles.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I like it. And I like this bag.
Plus that little tiny thingy. I want to put loads of like pins on my school bag. Make it look pretty and cute.
I've got some Harry Potter pins.
Can I have
They're not open. No. They're not open. They're in the wrappers.
Can I just steal them?
It's scary. And everything. We hope you like this box. We like it. I think we're going to keep it for another month, are we?
If you want to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
Yeet. And I did, if you follow me on Instagram, I did do a tutorial video for Halloween makeup, like a funny thingy, like a hand makeup thing. But my Daegu was running around squeaking. All you could hear was the whole way through, so I didn't even bother uploading it. So we might try and do another one of those as Halloween's coming up. So that might be one of the next videos, and Hermione's glossy box should be here any second. Well, not any second, but any time soon.
I'm gonna get the postman.
It should be. They took the money out, so it should be coming. It should be coming just after this one.
I need to shave my legs.
So, oh, lovely.
Okay.
So yeah, we hope you got the video. Please like and subscribe. Comment all nice things below, and we'll see you again soon.
I look like a Sasquatch.
Bye. Bye.